My wife thinks all this stuff is ugly, so let's hide it.
Can we talk about the ugly things around?
It's a good start. No pipes.
Pumps, compressors,
Hole protection.
hoses all about. There's gotta be a way to hide this ugly crap. How about a fence to keep them all in back? It starts with hard labor digging holes, cutting lumber, painting poles, back breaking in the sun. But look what happens when it's done.
Now let's paint them
I
black.
made a fence, and it's 6 feet tall. I made a fence, and that ain't all. I stained the
I'm gonna put some Varathane spray stain on these boards. American walnut, dopamine in a can. I'm gonna screw some 2x3s onto these posts now. Let's get this fence put up. It's time to protect that stain with some Varathane triple thick spar urethane, now available at Walmart. Looks white, but it's gonna dry clear. Now for the final touch. A beautiful, functional weekend project.
My wife is enthralled.